Hey guys, welcome to the fifth edition of Movies with Dad, and you can say hi.
Hi.
And we just finished watching Mortal Kombat 2021. So, Dad,
My first experience of Mortal Kombat. Okay, I went back to my childhood days when I saw all these Vitlacharya movies. But then on a grander scale, it's excellent. The graphic work. I was asking him actually how they managed to get the decoskeleton of the arm and other things. I do not know much about computers or graphics. So it was something, a fascinating new experience to me.
besides, what did you feel about the characters that are being shown?
The characters is, today's fashion is you don't believe in Indian gods, but then I think when you see Japanese or Chinese gods, you tend to believe God of Thunder, then God of Destruction, that, this.
Okay, you have to understand this. The character of Raiden is a made up god. It's not like some Japanese god or nothing of that sort. It's a made up god.
Okay, it's a made up god, but the fact is God.
Yeah, it's like, how do you say this? Like,
There is a belief, right? There is a belief that good wins over evil. At the end of this 1.5 hours or 2 hours that I saw the movie, what I get is a fantastic experience. I know that I've been talking ill about many of the movies that I've seen till today, but then this was fantastic because right at the beginning you know that you're in a fantasy world. You're not in the world where actually one man hits another. This is something like gods coming in, somebody getting awesome powers and all that. It's not exactly Superman where it's a mix between human beings and things. The fighters are all superhumans. Okay, it is something way out of the world. For me, it was a new experience watching a movie like this. Let me tell you, I have not even watched except Godzilla, which I watched for the sake of the kids when they were kids. I don't think I watched any other Japanese cartoon or action cartoons like this, and this was way too good for me. I think if you're an action loving person, you've got to see this movie. What do you say?
well, as a lifelong fan of Mortal Kombat, I really did not enjoy the movie too much. Okay, there are some pros and cons to this movie. Yes, I really love the way they took Sub-Zero's story. Unlike the previous one where Liu Kang throws a bucket of water and boom, Sub-Zero's dead. Or
That's slapstick comedy, man.
yeah. I mean,
Okay.
how do you kill a man who shoots ice? Throw water at him. Water become ice knife. Ice bucket challenge completed. Pachak. Of course, I really love the way that they've portrayed Goro because compared to the last time, Goro just looked like some weird teddy doll or something. I mean, though at the same time, I felt the whole arc of the Scorpion was totally unrequired because Scorpion played hardly any part in the movie, but for the opening scene and
No, he's a challenge master. No, he's a challenge to the Thunder God.
no, I'm not talking about. I'm talking about the Hanzo character. The guy, he gets killed in the first, and he comes back right at the end. That's it. Those are
Well,
the
that's
two
why I told you
instances.
right at the beginning that it is an American movie with Eastern values. That they do come back.
No, I know the character of Scorpion is supposed to come back. But what I'm saying is there was no necessity for the character of Scorpion to come here at all because there was nothing that he was adding to the story. You know, his presence did
No,
not
but
do
he
it.
did say right in the beginning, right? He did it for your sake only. I think you didn't understand that part of the English. He said, "Remember this face, I'll come back." He kept his promise, okay? I'm a big fan of Mortal Kombat now. I don't think whatever he says is going to let me go back and say it wasn't good. It was good, great. Great experience for
Yeah.
me. Just tell me how was the movie? I mean, the technology was good. The
See,
action was good.
Action was great.
Story was gripping.
Story was good, but the problem was it for me as a fan of Mortal Kombat. It's like you're talking about Mortal Kombat, but you never took. How do you say this? the story was, the movie was over before the tournament of Mortal Kombat began.
Yeah, that's because the villain wanted it that way. He wanted the tournament to end before the tournament started, right?
Yeah,
He said-
I mean,
he said,
yeah.
I'm going to end the tournament, and he
True.
lost all his guys.
True,
Who was there to fight?
true. There's no
He
good.
can't fight. And if he fights the leader of the hero side, Thunder God or whatever, he has to fight.
Raiden.
Raiden.
Raiden is not allowed to
Okay.
fight. Elder gods are not allowed
Exactly.
to fight.
So that's it.
But in
Okay. Now you have to address them and say that you want them to watch it because it's a good movie or it's a bad movie. I'm saying it's a good movie. I like it.
I think the movie is all right. I might have to watch it another time for me to be more comfortable with this.
He didn't understand the English a bit, okay? Excuse him for that.
Well, that brings this edition of Movies with Dad. Next time round, you might get to see that because
He talks too much. No, he doesn't like that.
alright.
Flawless victory.